Why do Catholics make the sign of the cross? It's a prayer, a profession of faith, and a spiritual shield. In Matthew chapter 28 verse 19, Jesus commands his apostles to baptize in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. This formula is Trinitarian. We invoke it with every sign of the cross. Early Christians marked themselves with a cross before prayer or when they were in danger. Tertullian in the 2nd century wrote, "We Christians wear out our foreheads with the sign of the cross." St. John Chrysostom said, "The cross is the trophy of victory, a defense against demons." Head, heart, shoulders, we mark our whole being with the cross, mind, soul, strength. It reminds us who we belong to, who died for us, who sends us forth. So, that is why we make the sign of the cross.